I want to do here is around tensile. Okay. So I don't need to go much by getting inside because I just need my sample to be held once I'm machining. I want to do a round tensile. So we are given a sample which is round, but it's not according to the standards of the diameter given in ISO, because this job needs to be done according to ISO 6892. Alright, so in ISO 6892 we have a specified diameter of 12.5 millimeter, 8.75, 6 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and this one here is can you get that? This one here is 16 point something millimeter, which I don't want. I need 12.5 or lesser than that. Right. So I'm going to start. My machining. I'm machining just roughly, alright, so I don't pay attention much to how the surface looks like. I need first to get closer to the desired size so that I can then focus on how my sample will look like. Alright, so this is what actually I'm doing right now. Here was heat treated. Okay, so it was heat treated. That's why it's harder. This is a bronze material. It's a bronze material. I wanna get my measurement. Setting to 5. I'm gonna change the speed. We're going to get a smooth surface and shiny. I like how my surface looks like, shining, clean, okay, shiny and clean. This is smooth. This is really smooth. And that is my size. So you get that. There's my size. 12.56. 12.56. I'm just 600th above the specified size. Okay, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. That's what I can do now. I'm just gonna try to, always greedy. This is what we call a sandpaper. We use it to cut small cuts, like in the range of micron, okay, or in the range of hundreds. So use the sandpaper. It smoothens the surface of our machine sample. Just use it for smoothing and to make it shinier. I love it. This is great. This is really great. I can ask my colleague to touch it. Touch it. Smooth. Smooth, eh? Smooth. So now I'm 12 points. Hashem. How did I do? I'm 12.54. Okay. It was 12.5657. Now it's 554. So I like that. Now this. I need 75. You can see. Not bad, eh? Not bad. So this is how it is. I'm done with my sample. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna take it out of my chuck. This is what we call chuck. So now, I'll try to check the measurements. You can see. 1254, 1254, 1254. Happy with it. This is great. This is amazing. This is a great job. Thank you, man, and thank you, my colleague, for your help.